Hey guys, welcome back.
So for this week's video, I was going to work in this journal and do a little catch up. This is my catch-all, low pressure, low stress, low energy journal. That's the working title. If you're new here, then you'll want to see a video that I'll link up here, which is us creating this journal together. So I have amassed a few things that I wanted to put in here. And since we worked in here together, I really haven't added anything except for this, and then I did some watercoloring. And that's about it. I hope you guys are doing well. I am still in shock, awe, denial that June is almost over. So far my June has been pretty busy, which brings me to my first update that I haven't really been posting as much on Instagram, and I wanted to bring that up as an update because I didn't want anyone to worry. I know personally when I see someone like not post as regularly as they used to, I feel like maybe something not bad is going on, but maybe like mental health wise they just needed a break. And sometimes for me that is the case, but this time it's just really I have limited time to dedicate to all the social medias, and my priority right now is here on YouTube. And literally hoarding these candy wrappers for like the longest time. And this little biscuit, I think I might put her there. But that's the update on the Instagram front. Update for YouTube is that I'm just trying to be consistent with posting weekly, and I've been able to sort of manage. I enjoy YouTube, I enjoy making videos. My only challenge when it comes to YouTube is maybe content. It's easy to run out of ideas when you are posting on a regular basis. I think it's like half burnout, half just lack of ideas. So props to people that are able to do it consistently, because that is a challenge. And another challenge is just my own perfectionism, in that I like to film at certain times of the day because of the lighting, and when I edit it's a prolonged, painful process because I'm crazy. And then also like finding music, it's not a chore, it's actually like my favorite thing when it comes to editing, but like it has to be the right music, and it has to, you know, I get my music off of like I don't even know what you would call it. It's like a place where you can get like licensed music that you can use for your channel, and I get lost in like finding the music and wanting it to like just be cohesive. It's almost like creating a playlist for me, and so it takes me a long time. So that's part of it. So basically what I'm saying is that I am my own barrier to YouTube. And then any other updates? I had to cancel my shop update in June, which is this month, because I honestly, there was just no way that I would be able to like create any inventory, because I wanted to make journals and there was just no time. And then I wanted to also like create stickers and get art prints done, but that requires money. And the funds just aren't there. Like I have currently stickers and things that I'm sitting on, which is just part, you know, that's just part of like a small business that you're gonna have overstock. But like I feel like more overstock would be overwhelming. So I want to wait a little bit just to save up some funds to get the stuff made that I really am proud of, but also to give me time to figure out what I'm gonna do with all this like overstock basically. So that's the shop update. And this is going by pretty quickly. I had this like journaling card and I took some glitter paint and I kind of covered the border in it, and I think it looks really cute. I think it would be cool, like a little flippity flip right here. So let's go ahead and do that. But first, I feel like we need to write something here. Maybe we can do like a mini collage with some of this paper. Upcoming here on YouTube, I hope to have like a make an art journal with me. I have where I made this one, and it's pretty similar, except, you know, just some things are different, maybe the size and things like that, but just something to watch out for. So please consider subscribing, putting your notifications on while you're at it. Might as well give this video a like, you know what I'm saying? That's my shameless plug for the day. I'm gonna put this here in the middle. And then sometimes I get like ideas for journaling spreads and I have to like write it down on whatever I can before I forget it, and I'm just not like digital inclined. Like, even though I have my phone and I can write it in notes, I just write it on a piece of this and rip it out. So that's what I have here. And it's kind of just a little too wide. I'm just gonna cut some there. I think that's it for the updates. I don't think I have any others, but if you have any lingering questions, you can also hit me up in the comments. I think that looks cute. And if you're like totally new to this channel and you're like, what is this girl doing? Basically, I like to keep up a creative process without too much expectation as to what it needs to be. And plus, I'm just like a pack rat of thoughts and pictures and random garbage. So that's what I'm doing here. I am enabling my pack rat sensibilities because YOLO. This was also part of that idea brainstorming thing that I had. It's actually song lyrics, so I'm going to take this one in. I think we've done enough here. As always, I will put the actual time it took me to make this in real time, or do this. It didn't take very long. And like I always say, at least you got some pages in, you feel connected to the journal, you feel accomplished, and you got some bits of trash off your desk. So yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I love you so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.